Hello guys, and welcome back to the lecture. In this lecture, what we're going to do is designing the dashboard before including the KPI slices and chart for the interactive dashboard. I've created a new sheet, a dashboard sheet. What we want to do is design this dashboard sheet to prepare it for different visuals. The first thing I'm going to do is change the page layout and remove grid lines. The next thing I'm going to do is add a background image, for which I'm going to search from File, going to my download and using this modified picture. It repeats itself, and that is exactly what is needed. This is the way it should appear, so it's fine. Now this side is available, and this part is no longer required. What we are going to do now is add the different elements. For the moment, Copilot is not being used to design this because Copilot can actually produce a strong layout. You may recall from previous dashboards how Copilot handled them. It can achieve a very high level of professionalism. That is the reason this is being created without Copilot for now. So let's continue. What we are going to do is place slices on the left side, put the KPIs at the top, and position the charts in the center. First, an illustration will be used. A form will be selected. The form will simply be a rectangle. That's it, and then some content will be added here, and the background will be changed later. Here is not the main focus. Let's add a title to it. This will be called Retail Inside Hub. Let's make a few adjustments here, such as increasing the size and making it bold, adding a color. This color will be changed later as progress is made and as it blends with the data. For now, it is not a major point of concern. Let's keep it black for the moment. I'm going to adjust this shape and give it a better format. Something interesting. Let's do it like this, placing it in the center and then rearranging it. Make sure it is properly positioned. Now, another box will be created on the right for the slices. To do this, another illustration will be added. Simply place another box and add the title Slices. Do the same here. Make it bold. Increase the font size, change the color. Let's stick with this same color. For the KPIs, a 4-box layout will be used to display different KPIs. Something interesting comes next here. 4 boxes are needed for the different elements. The same approach is applied here. The shape format has also been adjusted. Next, different titles will be added for the various KPIs. I will pause the video to complete that. The titles for the KPIs have now been added. The next step is to create a section for the different charts that will be used here. The space for the different charts has now been successfully created. This completes the dashboard design so far. This is where the data will be added. In the next lesson, the focus will shift to creating the KPIs, slices, and charts. I hope this lecture was helpful, and see you in the next one.